When you're painting your Model Magic farm animal, you can mix up whatever colors you need to make your animal look realistic. Remember that this Model Magic, as it's drying, can be really fragile. So if you're picking it up to work on it, please make sure you're being really careful of any tiny details that you made because it could fall apart. The same also applies if you use too much water with your paint. If your Model Magic gets too wet, it will also start to fall apart. So you want to be really careful and intentional about the marks that you're making on your animal. I would recommend looking at pictures of your animal while you're painting. You can go in different layers. So as I worked, I mixed up different shades of brown. So I started with a lighter brown, I went in other spots and added darker browns. After I was completely finished, I made up an even lighter brown to make it look like there was kind of like mud on the horns of my cow or on his nose. You would want to pick your animal up as you're working to make sure you're really getting the sides. If you want to go around the back, if you have any pieces that are 3D, like standing up. So my ears don't touch the table flat the way that the back of the head did. So I made sure to paint the back of my ears. I painted the back of my horns because they're going to stick off your background and people will still be able to see those details. Be really careful with mixing up your paint colors. Before you put it on your Model Magic, look at it in your mixing tray. Maybe you'll want to test it out on a paper towel or test it out in your sketchbook to see how that color is going to look on your Model Magic animal. Also, keep in mind that it is very rare for paint to be unfixable. If you make a mistake with your paint and you don't like how it looks, wait a few minutes, it'll dry, and you can go over it with another color. We just want to take our time and be really intentional about making these animals look as realistic as possible. Once your animal is all painted, we'll give it a little bit to dry and then we'll be ready to mount him on a really cool patterned background.